Well, here we are. It's Friday, May 30th, 2025. I'm Patrick. I'm a disabled investor. I'm on $1 million mission, and I'm sharing my journey to help other people learn from my mistakes. Thanks for watching. Today, I think I pulled some of it out of the fire. Things have been dropping since the Trump administration used the courts to block their decision that the president wasn't allowed to just, enforce tariffs against the world the way that he did it. So anyways, there's been a stay of that order, and as a result, stock market has not been doing great for me. But what I did that kind of saved me was I sold a call for Nvidia that had reached about 3 times what I paid, almost 3 times what I paid, and yeah, that was that. As a result, my portfolio is down 1.6% today to $96,000 and change. It is what it is. Next week, hopefully, will be better. Anyways, enjoy your Friday. Thanks for watching.